trade went. So let me quickly just go to Notion. So Notion on the 5k goals funded account, I've taken about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. I've taken about 5 trades on this goals funded account, 3 wins and 2 loss. So this loss I took it on Friday this week. On Monday no trade, Tuesday no trade, Wednesday no trade, then Thursday no trade, and on Friday it wasn't supposed to be this way, but anyways, I took a trade on Friday. So this was the setup on Friday. As you can see, Asian range. For me, this it kind of swept Asian range right here. It swept it good. So I did not take this position right here because it's actually before the London session opened. So right here is when the London section opened right here. But I was waiting for a little bit of pullback right, you know, into this fair value gap or this other block right here, or let it break below. But after seeing this break of structure right here, there was kind of a pullback. Yeah, there was a pullback right here, and this pullback here tapped into this. If I draw a fib, a fib retracement, it tapped into the 61.8 level right here. So that's why I took this trade after seeing this engulfing candlestick. But I could have waited a little more longer for it to get to this fair value gap, or tap into this this zone. Yeah, let me show you on trading view. Let me just show you on trading view. Let's see how it's looking. So that was the loss I took on that account, on Goats funded account. I did not take the trade on fundedness because I wasn't too confident. I was taking it on fundedness, that's why. So I took it on the Goats funded account. That Goats funded, I was up 100, so now I'm down 23. I started risking 0.5% from that Friday. So my next trade I'll also be risking 0.5%. Yeah, I want to start risking 0.5 per trade. I want to start risking 0.5 per trade. Yeah, let me okay, it's opening up. Okay, I'll be somewhere here. Okay, as you can see, I added more indicators, and all these indicators is kind of messing up my chart a little bit. As you can see, London opened right here, so I was just like, let me wait for that pullback or retracement. Yeah, so it came down to this point, tapped into the 61.8 level. I don't use 61.8 level to find my entry, but for some stupid reasons I went and draw my fib, and I took the entry right off this bullish confirmation. Then it kind of gave me a little bit of profit, and then flip back to my SL. And if I was waiting for this fair value gap to be tapped, I wouldn't even enter this trade because it tapped around. It gave me that engulfing confirmation around 1050, and I will be waiting for another candle to close above. So after seeing all this kind of stuff, yeah, I wouldn't even take the trade. So I wouldn't even have traded on Friday. So, but anyways, I learned a lesson right here. I should be waiting for a proper sweep below, not just working out Asia range. I should be waiting for a proper Asia range takeout. So that was that for the week. That was the loss for the week right here. This was the loss. entry before and trade after taking the loss. As you can see that I screenshotted it. So that was that. I lost $23.45 on this. Well, so now I'm down 0. I'm down 0.5% on this account. Let me show you the accounts. Growth funded. As you can see, that's same growth funded. As of last week, I narrated that we are going to go bearish. Like there will be a pullback because we're in a bullish trend. So the pullback did not exceed this low. So next week I should be expecting price to blast off. For it to blast off, let it not just give me a change of character right here. Let it blast up. I pray so. I pray so and I hope so. So on this account I've just traded for 3 days. Why is it showing 3 days? Maybe this would be some stuff right here. Because I've traded this account for 5 days now. It shouldn't be 3 days. For 5 days now. Maybe I haven't refreshed it yet. So for 5 days now, so you can see the calendar right here. Right here. Oops. I think it's network problem. It's going to be a network problem here. I think so. So YD is loading up. See, my network is out. It's out. So let me just show you my Telegram group as usual. So I also highlighted it as a risky buy because it kind of looks risky to me when I took this trade, because there's a lot of breaks down right here, as you can see. So well, I took the loss and everybody saw it. I posted it and shared it to some group for them to see the loss. Well, so for this week I'm expecting to get a win, but you have to accept market uncertainties and the rest. So I pray so and I hope so. So on my next video I'm planning on doing a little bit of back test. I want to be back testing Euro USD pair, live back testing, and I'll be posting it. I'll be using this same strategy and I'll be posting this right here. On YouTube. Okay, so just stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see that back testing. Okay, let it load up now. As you can see, June started right here. June. Okay, I made about, this was when I was risking about $15 and $10 to make all this kind of money and to make this. But from now henceforth I want to increase my risk. I've started increasing the risk here. I'm risking about 0.5%. If my next trade is I use 0.5% on my next trade, which will be around Monday, I would make this loss back and extra 100. That will be a 150. I'll be making 150. I think so. I don't know. I think so. But all I know is I'll make this back, and that is trying straight, because I always aim for 3 risk reward. Yeah, 0 points. That is 25 times 3. It will be $125. So that will be good. Then I'll be up 200. But let's just leave that. Let's all just pray that tomorrow is going to be good for me. You understand? Yeah, I just pray so. espresso. I can espresso. So as you can see, lost. I entered it in 3 positions. Well, now I'm down 59.0 win rate. Wow. Okay, boys, have a nice day. Click the subscribe button and like and comment on this video. Okay, guys, peace.